In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a booklet format using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process is incredibly useful if you need to create booklets from digital files for printing purposes. Whether you're preparing your own creative projects or setting up documents for a meeting, this guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your document is formatted perfectly for a booklet presentation. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is the primary software tool you'll need, and it's a powerful one for managing PDFs. So go ahead and open your document by either double-clicking the file and selecting Acrobat as the application, or opening Acrobat Pro DC first and navigating to your file through the File menu. Once your file is open, look towards the top right corner of the interface. You should see an icon or menu option that says Print. Click on it. This will bring up the print dialog window where most of the configuration takes place. When you see this window, it may seem a bit overwhelming at first, with several different options, but don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step. In the print dialog, you'll notice a section labelled Page Sizing and Handling. It's important to pay attention to this area because it determines how your printouts will turn out. In this section, you'll want to click on Booklet. Selecting the booklet option will essentially rearrange your PDF pages so they print in the correct order and orientation for booklet mode. This setup is crucial for ensuring the pages will line up properly when you fold them in half after printing. Now, moving on to the booklet subset. Here you'll have an option labelled Both Sides. Be sure this option is selected to enable automatic double-sided printing. This feature will print your pages in a way that, when folded, your booklet flows in the correct sequence from front to back. This automatic double-sided feature saves a lot of hassle of having to manually flip and arrange pages. Plus, it ensures a more professional appearance on your final printout. After configuring these settings, you're almost done. Go ahead and click Print. Depending on your printer's capabilities, it may take a moment for the pages to process and start feeding through. If your printer isn't natively equipped to handle double-sided printing, you may instead see prompts on how to manually feed the pages, so be sure to follow any specific instructions it provides. And there you have it, you've successfully converted and printed your PDF in booklet format using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This method not only optimizes space, but it's also an efficient way to create a neat, professional looking document. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial.